Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create cold email campaigns in under 5 minutes using AI in these two platforms, so SmartLead and Liskit. Liskit is where you're going to be getting your emails from. They just had an update where you can get 2,000 leads for 79 euro or dollars. It's the cheapest on the game, and they are triple verified, meaning that you don't have to verify them yourself. SmartLead is what we're going to be using to send the email campaigns. Then we're going to be using ChatGPT and Stack AI, which I'll show you the build in just a second, to create the whole campaign and the whole market research about the ICP. Because what I'm gonna be showing you is a method that you can use even if you don't know anything about your ICP and even if you don't know anything about how to write emails. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the ICP we're gonna use for this example is cybersecurity companies doing over 10 million a year. For this, I'm gonna use a prompt that I built a bit ago that I can just paste this in. This is my ICP. Paste this in, and it's gonna start generating me two types of lists. So a broad list and a laser precision list that I will then use here to pull my emails. So I'm just gonna wait a bit for this to pull, and then we're gonna get them. I'm gonna pause it because you don't need to see this. Okay, as you can see, we got a lot of good keywords here that we can use. I don't know anything about cybersecurity, and I just got all of this. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this here, and we're gonna, based on this data, start creating the list. So information, exactly, and then computer, network security. This is gonna be the industries. Next is gonna be technologies. I already put these two, and encryption software. I'm literally pasting from here. You can do this side by side so you can see as well. And then let's put some keywords. Cybersecurity solutions, data protection, threat intelligence. It's not properly written. Network security. That's enough. And now, nope, no need for this. Okay, let me pause it. Let me put this. Okay, now we're gonna get the job title. So you come here, companies, people. For job title, we're gonna do CEO and CISO. We're gonna wait for this to load. We're gonna get max one people per step. We're gonna have this. I'm not gonna redeem them from this case, but you would get this, and I'll show you exactly how this will look. Okay, you would have gotten a list like this in your mail. I'm blocking out this so you cannot steal this data. Next step you will need to do is write the copy campaign. And this is where we go to Stack AI, which I'm about to show you. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna say, I target cyber security companies and I help them land contracts with government agencies. For test, this is something that I built. It's not available to the public. Yeah, basically you're gonna get the same list, but for the list I already did it on GPT to show you. But what I want to show you is the list, the not the list, the email copy that we will then use to these prospects that we just pulled. So I'm gonna wait a bit for this to run. Okay, just to explain a bit about the system, you have the same list. By the way, I didn't use locations, even though they are very, you get the details about the location. Then you have three questions about the ICP, so you can look at angles even if you don't know anything about the ICP. Then what it basically does is it spits out V1 and V2 emails. For this case, we will have to format them. So we'll come here. Can you format them properly, please? Then we'll be on our way to basically send the email. And so this is built by me. This is built by me. So in total, this takes me about 3 minutes to run. And it's pretty accurate, as you're going to see in a bit. Just need to format it even better. So a space here and change the CTA. Because, for example, if you notice here on the input, I didn't say we have helped X company achieve Y, and I made a video explaining them how we can do it for them as well. Because if I had written this, it would have given me this in the emails. But as I didn't write them, it didn't give me. So we come here. So we already have the list. We have the V1 emails, and now let's get the V2. Don't need to, but this would give us the V2, and then yeah, this pretty quickly, pretty simple. You come here, you put this, yeah, yeah, fuck off, yeah, doesn't matter because we're not gonna run this one because I already have it running. You'd come here, you'd put your lists, and you'd start email. You put these three variations as V1 emails, then you'd put second variation, the second emails, and then the follow-up emails. So for example, here you'd come here, format this correctly, you put your signature, and there you go. This is 6 minutes and 20 seconds long. Yeah, this is basically how I'm sending emails to startups, VCs without knowing much about them and pulling accurate lists and accurate messaging for them in a matter of seconds. So yeah, if you found this helpful, I'm gonna leave a few links down below and make sure to subscribe to get more sauce on the game. Let's say thank you, have a good day, and